from 2 a.m. calls. Zero communication. Yeah, we spent too long in heaven. Yeah, we felt the elevation. Just kind of different and we're not the same. Cause anything's have to change. I got no trouble with my pride. Got trouble cutting tight.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Janey. If you are new, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow your girl on all social media. So guys, I know I skipped this Wednesday, but that is because I wanted to post this video in honor of National Rosé Day. So today is Saturday, June 11th, and as I said, it is National Rosé Day. So I have myself a bottle of rosé. I think you guys should pour yourself up some rosé, but if you don't have it, pour yourself up any wine, tequila, whiskey, coffee, or tea, depending on the time you're watching this. And let's get into the video. So today we will be drinking a rosé from Bogle Vineyards, and this is one of my favorite brands. It goes right alongside the Josh, which if you guys have not seen my review on the Josh Cabernet, I will leave it up at the top. But this is one of my favorite brands. I had no idea that they had a rosé. Anytime I see a brand that I really like, I always try and, you know, taste each variation of wine in it. Like for my Joshes, I've tasted 3 or 4 different wine variations in it, and now we're gonna be doing the same thing for Bogle or Bogle, or I believe it's called Bogle, but if I'm wrong, I'm sorry. Like, I didn't create the name, okay? So this wine is a 12.5% alcohol volume, which it literally just hits the level that we like. If you are new here, I try my best to stay at the 12.5. That's like the starting, and you know, it only goes up from there. So this is a 12.5. This bottle was $14.99, and this is a 2020 vintage. So let's pour it up and see what we get. And I love that this is a screw cap. I don't know if anybody else has noticed, but I feel like everything from like 2019, 2020 has been like screw caps. And I'm not complaining because I love the ease, but I remember there was a time where people did not respect screw tops, okay? So I'm here for it. I'm always gonna be here for an easier way to drink my alcohol, okay? So let's open this baby up. From the time I was pouring it, all I could smell was like melon, cantaloupe to be exact, and a little bit more citrus. I wouldn't be surprised if it has notes of like pineapple in it, because it's giving me citrus, but not like your typical like lemon lime type of citrus. But let's take a sip. Cheers, guys. It has like an undertone of earthy flavors. I can't put my tongue on exactly what the earthy flavor is, but it's giving me subtle earth. It's not giving me any acid. It's slightly bold, but okay. The more I drink it, the more acid I taste. But in terms of first 2-3 sips, no. And this doesn't feel like, even if I was supposed to finish the entire bottle by myself, which there's a chance that, you know, that may happen. It's not gonna be tonight though, because I'm tired. But eventually though, when I do finish off this bottle, I can tell that it's not gonna be heavy. Like, I don't feel it sitting on my chest, like sitting on my stomach. So I really like that. But enough about what I think. Let us go on to our favorite app, Vivino, and see what it is that everyone else has to say about it. So according to Vivino, this is a 53% match for me, which I can understand because I don't typically drink a lot of rosés. So I bet they're like looking through my history like, this is not something she gonna drink. Like, why does she even have this? But you know, it's getting warm outside. Well, it is warm outside at this point. Like, today was 85 degrees. So I understand why they gave me a 53%, but I actually like it. The average price is $11.25, so yet another time that New York is New Yorking and I'm overpaying. but that's okay. Like, it's only $3 off. I'm okay with that. Like, that's fine. The taste characteristics include strawberries, raspberries, watermelon, melon, apple, baked apple, pink grapefruit, citrus, honey, minerals, earthy. That's funny because I told y'all there's something about it that like tastes earthy. Pepper, white pepper, and the list goes on and on. I will put everything on the screen as always. This wine is in the top 18% of wines in the world, and then the top 26% of wines from California. And coming from California, I can completely understand why this is not at the top of their list. It is a good glass of wine, but let's say when compared to the last rosé that I had, that I will link that video up in the iCards as well, like that was a phenomenal bottle of wine. Like that was A1, top notch. I would probably pay $10-15 just for a glass of that wine in a restaurant, and that was like what, a $20 for the whole bottle. So yeah, like I would pay that for like a glass of wine. I understand why it's not high on the list. Great glass, but I completely understand. So now the food pairings are shellfish, spicy foods, fruity desserts, a partake, meaning this is your appetizer. Like, you wanted food? No, we came here to drink. Like, this can be it. And then appetizers and snacks. And I realized for this wine that they did not give like the bold, acidic, tannic, like they didn't give that. But as I said, like I feel like it's subtle, like it's in the middle. It's not really bold. I personally don't taste much acid on the tongue. I definitely don't feel like there's a tannic component to this wine, and it is dry. It is, if you've been watching my channel long enough, you know that there's a 90% chance that anything I'm drinking is gonna be dry or maybe a semi. It's very, very, very rare for me to be drinking anything sweet, but you know, I'm trying for y'all. Like I drank that port, like give me props where they're due, okay? But this is very dry, as expected. But guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys are enjoying National Rosé Day. If you guys don't get to watch this on Saturday, every day is a day to drink wine. Like, if you guys are new to this channel, sorry to let you know, we don't leave any video with alcohol in our hands, so grab your drink, it's time to chug. They did what needed to be done, in my personal opinion. It's affordable, it tastes good, it's not too harsh. I feel like this is very beginner friendly. If you're like now getting into rosés, this would be a good starting mile for you. So get yourself a bottle, come back every week for more recommendations and for more breakdowns. I will see you guys in my next one.